Today I am going to share Ramadan special crispy cabbage pakora recipe. Cabbage 1 cut into half. Slice it very thin. Done. Cabbage transfer to the bowl. Salt, 1 tablespoon. Mix. Leave it 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, squeeze the water out. Done. Slice potato 1 cup. Onion 1 cup. Green chili 3 tablespoon. Coriander leaf 1 tablespoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Mix. Lentil paste 1 cup. Mix. Garam flour, 1/3 cup. All-purpose flour, 1/2 cup. Mix well. Done. Time to fry. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.